Hello traders and welcome to Financia.com. Today, we will discuss the Gann fan drawing tool available by default in MetaTrader and also in TradingView platforms. Let's begin by defining this Gann fan levels tool. Gann fan, which is a kind of analysis tool, consists of a series of diagonal lines named Gann angles. They are displayed in the chart to show the different support and resistance levels. The angles fans are drawn from one point, the main top during a downtrend movement or the main bottom in an uptrend move, and then go in several directions. This drawing tool works to divide time and price movements proportionally. However, traders and technical analysts employ them to forecast support and resistance areas, future price action, and basic tops and bottoms. Besides, the chart should be properly scaled to ensure that there is a square relationship in the market. Gann fan consists of 9 diagonal lines acting as support, resistance lines and superposed as follows. A central line which is a 45 degrees angle and the other 8 lines are located above and below this 1x1 trend line, based on relations of price and time. Therefore, if the price is located above the 1x1 line, this means that the market is in a bullish trend. If it is below, indicates that the market is in a bearish trend. Now, let us discover how to trade based on Gann fan levels. Gann fan levels act as support and resistance trendline levels on the trading chart. On the one hand, upward angles are located above the central line and specify resisting trend lines. However, downward angles are located below the central line and specify supporting trend lines. So let's take an example to understand how to use the Gann fan levels. Suppose that the price in the chart is located above an ascending angle and does not break below this level. This means that there is a bullish trend in the market. Likewise, when the price is located below a descending angle and does not break above this level, this means that there is a bearish trend in the market. Yet, the major utility of the Gann fan drawing tool is to trade breakouts of angle levels. In fact, the Gann fan theory is based on the notion that the market rotates from one angle to another as the price jumps to the next angle above it when the uptrend price reverses and breaks below an ascending angle. Likewise, the price jumps to the next angle above it when a downtrend price reverses and breaks above a descending angle. Also, the middle line of the Gann fan levels strategy is so important. Let us consider the case of an ascending Gann fan levels strategy on the EUR/USD/H1 chart. When this middle line acts as a support level, then the trend is considered to continue in its upward direction, making higher lows and higher highs. Yet, when this middle line is broken, then the trend is very likely to reverse, as we can see here. Thanks for watching.